project of the day. I started this 2 days ago, and I thought, well, I should really start it more better. So, cleaned up my workbench. I bought this thing at the thrift store, 2 little things there for, I think, $3. And I got all my stuff in here for, this is the e-bike and e-trike section. I got my tools here and all the miscellaneous nonsense over there. And this guy was done. The battery came in, which I mounted right on top here. It's just so nice. There's only one problem with it. It doesn't work. There's something wrong with the motor. It doesn't work. They're sending me a new one, which should be here next week. You push the power button and you get exactly no power. So something's wrong in the controller. I'm getting a new one. Otherwise, this would have been done yesterday. So I'm very disappointed, but I am really happy with the way the battery mounts on the front there. It's nice and solid, easy to get to, and she can stick her phone mount Velcroed right to the top of that thing. That'd be just awesome. So then I thought, well, as long as I can't ride and it's 5 degrees out, gee, why not make sure your tire is puncture proof? As you can see, we didn't do so well today. I was kind of afraid of this. I took the gook and I stuck it in hot water, and the first squeeze went pretty good, and then after that it would blow the hose off, and well, you can see. Anyway, after repeated heating, and I had kept taking the air nozzle there and blowing the valve clear, because the valve was plugging up. This stuff works so good that it doesn't let you put air in. So now what I got to do is put air in it, and then take my handy dandy hose over there and wash this all down the drain. Luckily, this slimy crap is water soluble, so it isn't so hard to clean up. So that was one of the things I wanted to do today. And what else we got going here? Added some straps to the thing, so when I get my other battery in, I can strap it to the top there. My long range plans is to do at least 75 miles in one day. That's my quest. I got to do that before I turn 75, which is next October. That's my goal for next year. So anyway, a basic failure, and modest success for the day.